And here we got check engine light blinking because I got a current misfire. I'm actually driving home right now, so I'm catching it live. And guess what we have? We have a, sorry for the shaking and the blurriness, but I am driving and I'm trying to hold this as clear as I can. And it's a 301. And if you remember the previous video or earlier in the video, that I changed the ignition coils. So that proves it's a bad ignition coil. Actually at a complete stop now. As you can see, the check engine light's on, but I think that just has to do because the switch is on. But it did get this code P0301, and that code means the first cylinder misfire detected. So I did switch it. It had the P0304 at first, which was the 4-cylinder missing. Now that I switched them, I switched the 4th to the 1st and the 1st to the 4th. So that means the coil is bad. So that means I just have a simple fix. Hitachi. See how it looks like, compares, and I want to see if there's a part number on this. But this is how the Hitachi one comes. Oh, here we go. It's IGC 0008 ignition coil, and it actually is made from Japan. So I'm assuming that's a good sign because, all right. So one of the things is that once this package is out, here it is. It means it's OEM specs, so we'll just give it a go. Here, yep, that's it. Just replace the coil, so hopefully my misfires have run away. So let's check it out. See how it goes. And it's really hot today too. Alright, no more sputtering. So far it's running pretty good. No misfires. Excellent. And that's what we want to hear. I guess just go for a test drive now. But everything seems to be running smoothly. You know what? I'll put the windows down right now. It's gonna make too much noise. Let's go. Oh wow, I can feel way different now. I can feel the power is back. That's a good thing too, because that lets you know the engine's fine, because obviously there would be no power if the engine wasn't. Alright. Oh yeah. I didn't push it all the way, so I just wanted to feel if it'll grab. Yeah, everything seems to be working out. Everything's fine. So, accelerating on 3rd. Oh yeah, that's way different. Oh, way better. So yeah, those Hitachi ignition coils work way good. I would highly recommend it, but what I want to do first before I highly recommend it, drive it for a while, a couple weeks, see how it stands out, and hopefully they're good. It fixed my problem. You can see, I don't know if you could hear from this, I know I'm running it through a crappy phone right now. Well, it's not a crappy phone, but it's good for what